Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make this like collage like text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add this as a background, but I'm just going to actually add use the canvas one for this to add in this kind of paper background kind of thing, which is this one. And I'm also going to move this out of the frame. Then after that, I'm going to select text, and I'm just going to add to track. You can do this one, letter by letter or word for word. I'm just going to show you guys letter by letter, but it's the same for word for word too. Hopefully you understand what I mean by that. I'm just going to type in S. I'm going to type in sour. I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm just going to keep on changing the letter. Oops. Actually, I'm just going to adjust it first. So go to background and just press the checkmark button and choose the color that you want. And then I will copy and paste this. Change the letter, sorry. And again, you can change the color of the text. And then again, copy and paste it. Change the letter. And again, I'm going to change the color of the background. And then lastly, I'm just going to add it again. And you can also add in stickers to make it more interesting. I'm also going to select these and right click. Select them all, right click, and create compound clip so I can move this around. So it's kind of in the center just a bit more. Or you can just group them too here so it's more centered. I'm going to add in a couple of stickers, so go to stickers here, and you're just going to find the sticker you want to add on the video or photo. I'm trying to find one that suits this the best. Like this one. Let's see which one. Maybe this one, but this one's animated, so I'm not going to add that in. Well, it's up to you though which one you want to add, of course, but I'm just going to add a few that matches. Okay, there's a lot of stickers, so it's a little bit more difficult. Oops. Just add it to your text and just play around with it, but I'm not going to spend my time on this because the video will take forever, but you get the gist. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!